Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss past indefinite tense. The past indefinite tense, also known as the simple past tense, is used to describe completed actions in the past. For instance, I went to school yesterday. It is also used to describe past facts or general truths and past habits or routines, such as she ate breakfast at 7 a.m. Come to Urdu recognition of this tense. जुमले के आखिर में छोटी ये बड़ी ये और अलिफ वगैरह आता है. The structure of simple sentence is subject plus second form of verb plus object, and the structure of negative sentence is subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. We know this thing that we have to use first form of verb with did. In interrogative sentences, the structure is did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object, and at the end we have to put question mark. Helping verb of this tense is did. Here are few examples, few sentences. Let's discuss a few of them. The first one is लोगों ने बाग में जलसा किया. यहाँ अगर हम देखें तो सेंटेंस के आखिर में अलिफ आता है, तो हमारी रिकग्निशन में भी यही था कि उर्दू जुमले के आखिर में छोटी ये बड़ी ये या फिर अलिफ आएगा. जब हम इसको ट्रांसलेट करेंगे तो लोगों के लिए सब्जेक्ट जो है हमारा पीपल यूज़ होता है. देन वी हैव टू यूज़ सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. पीपल हेल्ड अ मीटिंग बाग में इन द गार्डन. Now we are going to discuss one of the negative sentence. उसने अपनी तमाम जायदाद फ़रोख्त ना की. उसने he, then we have to put helping verb which is did and negation word not. फ़रोख्त sell, तमाम जायदाद whole of his property. He did not sell whole of his property. Here are many sentences for your practice. These are 19 sentences for your homework. You have to translate these Urdu sentences into English by yourself. And now we are moving to discuss voices of this tense. General rules for changing active voice into passive voice is shuffle the places of subject and object. Second rule is use helping verb according to the tense. Next is always use third form of verb, use by before the object. And the last one is personal pronouns change into possessive pronouns. For example, I into me, we into us, he changes into him, she changes into her, they change into them, and you do not change. Proper nouns do not change. For example, Ali cut the cake on his birthday. Here, proper noun is Ali. And when we convert this sentence into passive voice, Ali will remain same. Now we are going to discuss rules of past indefinite changing active voice into passive voice. First one is shuffle the places of subject and object. Use was, were as helping verbs. Use third form of verb and use by before the object. Let's discuss few examples. I bought 2 watches. Here subject is I, bought verb, 2 watches object. So according to the rule we have to shuffle places of subject and object. So 2 watches will come in the start of the sentence, and then we have to put helping verb. Here we will use were, then third form of verb bought, and after using third form of verb we have to put by, and at the end I will change into me. 2 watches were bought by me. Next sentence is he met me yesterday. He is a subject, met is a verb, me is an object, and yesterday ये additional information, additional word है. तो जब भी additional को phrases या फिर कोई लफ्ज़ आएगा तो वो at the end ही use होंगे, ठीक है, passive voice में जब हम convert करेंगे. Okay, come to the last sentence. Here WH question word is used in the beginning of the sentence. Why did she write such a letter? The rule is you have to put this WH word in the beginning when we convert active voice into passive voice. Why, then we have to put helping verb. Why was such a letter written by her? पैसिव वॉइस से एक्टिव वॉइस में कैसे चेंज होंगे सेंटेंसेस? पैसिव वॉइस को जब हम एक्टिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे तो वी विल ओमिट दिस वर्ड बाय, and this sentence will change into the simplest form of sentence which is SVO, जो हमारा एक सिंपल सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर होता है। तो जब हम पैसिव वॉइस से एक्टिव वॉइस में चेंज कर लेंगे तो एक्टिव वॉइस का जो स्ट्रक्चर हमारे पास यहाँ पे हमें नज़र आ रहा है वो एक सिंपल सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर है। Some meat was cooked by her. Here some meat is a subject, was helping verb, cooked verb, by, and then her. Her is an object. So we will convert her into she. Then we have to put verb according to the structure of simple sentence which is SV, and at the end we have to put object, some meat. She cooked some meat. लास्ट सेंटेंस को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। वर टू लैम्प्स लाइटेड बाय हर। हमने स्टार्ट में बताया था कि इस टेंस का हेल्पिंग वर्ब डिड होगा। तो जब हम इसको चेंज करेंगे, और हमें पता है कि क्वेश्चन जो हमारे इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं उसमें सबसे पहले हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब को यूज़ करते हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पर हम डिड यूज़ करेंगे। देन वी हैव टू यूज़ सब्जेक्ट, हर कन्वर्ट होगा शी में, और फिर आपके पास वर्ब आएगा शी, और शी लाइट। अच्छा, अब हमने यहाँ पर सेकंड फॉर्म क्यों नहीं यूज़ की, जबकि हमने कहा था कि हमारे पास्ट इंडेफिनेट टेंस में सेकंड फॉर्म यूज़ होती है, बट ये नेगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में चूँकि डिड का यूज़ हो जाता है इसलिए हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है। और फिर एट द एंड टू लैम्प्स, ये आपके पास ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा, डिड शी लाइट टू लैम्प्स। Again, here are few examples, few sentences for your practice, which we have to convert active voice to passive voice and passive voice to active voice. यहाँ पर ये 5 सेंटेंसेस हैं, एग्जांपल्स हैं जो कि आपने एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में और पैसिव वॉइस से एक्टिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करनी है। स्टे ब्लेस्ड, अल्लाह हाफिज़।